Now let us discuss about elimination reactions. When a haloalkane with beta hydrogen atom is heated with alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, there is elimination of hydrogen atom from beta carbon and a halogen atom from the alpha carbon atom. So alkene is formed as a product. So here this is the reaction and this is the beta carbon, this is the alpha carbon where you are having the halogen atom. In the beta carbon you are having the hydrogen atom. So what happens in an elimination reaction, that is when a haloalkane with beta hydrogen atom is heated with alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, there is elimination of hydrogen atom from beta carbon and a halogen atom from the alpha carbon, so that an alkene is formed as the product. Here B is the base and X is the leaving group. How Zaitsev rule came into effect? If there is a possibility of formation of more than one alkene due to the availability of more than one beta hydrogen atom, usually one alkene is formed as the major product. These form a pattern first observed by Russian chemist Zaitsev, and we are having the Zaitsev rule. What happens in Zaitsev rule, which is taken as the major product? In a dehydrohalogenation reaction, the preferred product is that alkene which has greater number of alkyl groups attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. Again I repeat, in a dehydrohalogenation reaction, the preferred product is that alkene which has the greater number of alkyl groups attached to the doubly bonded carbon atoms. See the example over here, that is 2-bromopentane. 2-bromopentane, when it undergoes elimination reaction, you are getting 2-pentene, that is pent-2-ene and then pent-1-ene we are getting. Pent-1-ene is found to be the minor product, pent-2-ene is found to be the major product. What is the rule? In a dehydrohalogenation reaction, the preferred product is that alkene which has the greater number of alkyl groups attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. This is the doubly bonded carbon atom where the number of alkyl groups attached is found to be more. Whereas in the case of pent-1-ene, this is the doubly bonded carbon atom where the number of alkyl groups attached over here is found to be less. So this is found to be the minor product and this is found to be the major product. Again, what is Zaitsev rule? In a dehydrohalogenation reaction, the preferred product is the alkene which has greater number of alkyl groups attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. Next, we will discuss about reaction with metals. Most organic chlorides, bromides, iodides, they will react with certain metals to give compounds containing carbon metal bonds. And those compounds are known as organometallic compounds. What are organometallic compounds? That is, organic chlorides, bromides, iodides, they will react with metals, certain metals, to give compounds containing carbon metal bond, and those compounds are known as organometallic compounds. Here we are going to discuss about Grignard reagent. RMgX is known as Grignard reagent. They are obtained by the reaction of haloalkanes with magnesium metal in dry ether. What do you mean by dry ether? Dry ether is diethyl ether, that is entirely free from water. Ether has a tendency to absorb some amount of moisture from the atmosphere. Dry ether is obtained by distilling ether over sodium metal. And you all know that sodium metal is found to be highly reactive in nature. So, solvent is used which will not react with sodium metal. If solvent is not used, sodium will react with water to form oxides and hydroxide which will disturb the reaction. Dry ether is an aprotic solvent and also acts as a catalyst. Aprotic means what? That is, it has no OH or NH bonds. A means without. Grignard reagent, this is RMgX, here Rx, alkyl halide plus magnesium in dry ether, you are getting Grignard reagent, that is CH3, CH2, MgBr. Instead of R, we are having the ethyl group. Here, in this case, in the Grignard reagent, the carbon-magnesium bond is covalent. This is the carbon-magnesium bond which is found to be covalent, but it is found to be highly polar with carbon pulling the electrons from electropositive magnesium. The magnesium halogen bond is found to be ionic in nature. So, in the Grignard reagent, the carbon-magnesium bond is covalent and the magnesium halogen bond is found to be ionic. Grignard reagents are highly reactive and they react with any source of proton to give hydrocarbons. Even water, alcohols, amines are sufficiently acidic to convert them to corresponding hydrocarbons. Or MgX, Grignard reagent, even with a trace of water, they will give hydrocarbons plus MgOHX. It's necessary to avoid even traces of moisture from a Grignard reagent. This could also be used as one of the methods of converting halides to hydrocarbons. Next is Woods reaction. Alkyl halides react with sodium in dry ether to give hydrocarbons containing double the number of carbon atoms than the starting compound. The speciality of Woods reaction is it gives double the number of carbon atoms than that present in the reactant. Here already we discussed what is sodium in dry ether, why dry ether is added to sodium. We discussed in the beginning of this topic. Woods reaction, what is the speciality of Woods reaction? Alkyl halides, they will react with the sodium in dry ether to give hydrocarbons containing double the number of carbon atoms present in the halide. Next is reactions of haloarenes. Aryl halides, they are found to be extremely less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions because of the following reasons. What are the reasons? Haloarenes, they are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction because of these reasons. One is because of resonance, second one is difference in hybridization of carbon atom in CX bond, third one is instability of phenyl cation, and fourth one is because of repulsion. One by one we will discuss these things. First one is resonance effect. In haloarenes, the electron pairs on halogen atom or in conjugation with pi electrons of the ring, and the following resonating structures are possible. In the case of resonance in haloarenes, this is an example of a haloarene, chlorobenzene. The electron pairs on halogen atom, they are in conjugation with pi electrons of the ring, and the following resonating structures are possible. The CCl bond acquires a partial double bond character due to resonance. So, the bond cleavage in haloarene is difficult. Here, because of this partial double bond character, the bond cleavage is found to be, difficult in haloarene. So, they are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second one is the difference in hybridization of carbon atom in CX bond. In haloalkane, the carbon atom attached to the halogen is sp3 hybridized, while in the case of haloarene, the carbon atom attached to the halogen is sp2 hybridized. This is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and this is in the case of haloalkanes where the carbon atom is found to be sp3 hybridized in nature. The sp2 hybridized carbon with a greater S character is more electronegative and can hold the electron pair of CX bond. This is the CX bond more tightly than sp3 hybridized carbon in haloalkane, which is haloalkane with less S character. If you see the CCl bond length of haloalkane and haloarene, in haloalkane the bond length is found to be 177 picometer pm, while in haloarene it is 169 pm, that is picometer. So it is difficult to break a shorter bond than a longer bond. Haloarenes, that's why they are less reactive than haloalkanes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next is instability of the phenyl cation. In haloarenes, the phenyl cation formed as a result of self-ionization will not be stabilized by resonance, and SN1 mechanism is ruled out. Because of the possible repulsion, it is less likely for the electron-rich nucleophile to approach electron-rich arenes. Because of the possible repulsion, it is less likely for the electron-rich nucleophile to approach the electron-rich arenes because of the electron-electron repulsion. And next one is replacement by hydroxyl group. Replacement by hydroxyl group. Chlorobenzene can be converted into phenol by heating in aqueous NaOH at a temperature of 623 Kelvin and at a pressure of 300 atmospheres. The presence of an electron withdrawing group such as NO2 at ortho, this is the ortho position and this is the para position. At ortho and para position increases the reactivity of haloarenes. When the electron withdrawing group like NO2, they are present in, that is para position, the replacement of Cl by OH takes place at a much lower temperature of 443 Kelvin. If electron withdrawing groups like NO2, they are present in ortho as well as in para position over here, the reaction, that is the replacement of Cl by OH takes place at a much lower temperature of 368 Kelvin. Here you can see that the replacement of Cl by OH takes place just by warming water. This is because of the electron withdrawing groups, presence of electron withdrawing groups at ortho as well as in para position. This effect is pronounced when NO2 group, electron withdrawing group, is introduced at ortho and para position. No effect on reactivity of haloarenes is observed by the presence of electron withdrawing group at meta position. So, at meta position there is no effect. Let us see the mechanism of the reaction when the electron withdrawing group is present at para position. See, this is the resonance structure, resonance hybrid, and here the replacement of Cl by OH when the electron withdrawing group is present at para position. Two steps, this is the slower step and this is the fast step. This is the mechanism of the reaction when the electron withdrawing group is present in the ortho position. And this is the resonance structure and this is the resonance hybrid. This is the final product. See how this replacement of Cl by OH is taking place. In the slowest step, see the resonance structures, how the electron density getting shifted. The electron density over here is getting shifted. This is the ortho position and this is the para position. And again in the ortho position we are having the electron density. This is the mechanism when the electron withdrawing group is present at meta position. What do you think? Why the NO2 group show its effect only at ortho and para position and not at meta position? That is, the presence of nitro group at ortho and para position withdraws the electron density from the benzene ring and thus facilitates the attack of nucleophile on haloarene. The carbon ion thus formed is stabilized through resonance. The negative charge appeared at ortho and para positions with respect to the halogen substituent is stabilized by NO2 group, while in case of meta-nitrobenzene, this is meta-nitrobenzene, this is the resonance hybrid and this is the resonance. Okay. While in case of meta-nitrobenzene, none of the resonating structures bear the negative charge on carbon atom bearing the NO2 group. If you see the resonance structure, no negative charge is in the meta position, only in the ortho position and in the para position, not in the meta position, meta carbon atom. Therefore, the presence of nitro group at meta position does not stabilize the negative charge and no effect on reactivity is observed by the presence of NO2 group at meta position. Next one is electrophilic substitution reactions. Haloarenes undergo electrophilic reactions of benzene rings such as halogenation, nitration, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts reactions. Halogen atom is ortho-para-directing, so substitution occurs at ortho and para positions. This is the ortho position and this is the para position. With respect to the halogen atom, these are the resonating structures. Due to resonance, the electron density increases more at ortho and para positions than at meta position. Further, the halogen atom, because of minus I effect, already we have discussed about inductive effect, they have some tendency to withdraw electrons from the benzene ring. So, the ring gets somewhat deactivated as compared to benzene, and therefore electrophilic substitution reactions in haloarenes occur slowly. Why electrophilic substitution reactions occur slowly in haloarenes? This is because of the minus I effect of halogen atom, they have some tendency to withdraw electrons from the benzene ring. So the ring gets somewhat deactivated. That's why electrophilic substitution reactions are slow in haloarenes. So in haloarenes, electrophilic substitution reactions occur slowly and require more drastic conditions